Want to know the exact method I used to start making thousands of dollars a month? And no, it's not dropshipping, affiliate marketing or anything like that, because that didn't work for me. It's actually video editing, and here's why I think it's the best business to start in 2025. In 2025, videos are literally everywhere. Social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and even LinkedIn are promoting and prioritizing videos like crazy. So every business needs it for marketing and other stuff like that, and influencers needs it like crazy for promoting their personal brand. But here's the thing, every content creator and business knows they need to post videos regularly, but they don't have the time to edit them. So that's where you come in. Imagine how many businesses in your local area who are editing videos by themselves, or how many big video creators. I could probably name like 10 right now who are editing videos for themselves and have the money to pay for a video editor. So the demand for video editing is crazy and is growing every day. And for example, I had a small barber in my area who started cutting for maybe 2 years ago, and he started posting TikToks when he started, and now he has like 200k followers on his social medias. Most of his customers are 100% coming from his social medias, and he's making a living from cutting hair right now. And I know he's editing videos for himself, but 100% has the money to hire a video editor. Video editing is also so easy to start. You maybe think you need an expensive editing software and maybe hours of experience. That's not true at all. All you need is an okay computer and a software like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve, because those free softwares are literally able to edit videos like the pro softwares, and I'm not lying. And many video editors actually start editing on their phone and create amazing results. So it has never been about having the best tools, it's actually about you knowing how to use them correctly. And with all these tutorials online, all these hundreds of YouTube videos, TikTok videos and everything, you can literally learn the basics and more in just a weekend or two. It's that easy, so why wouldn't you? And I don't think any other business is that easy to learn and start. Another thing is that you're not forced to work from home or an office. You can literally work from your bedroom, your favorite cafe, it's your choice. Plus, editing skills improve really quickly, and it's amazing to see the progress. One day you can be cutting some small clips, and the next day you could be adding amazing music, transition and stuff like that, and it's just fun to see the progress you're making. When I'm flying, I'm usually editing videos on the plane, and if it's a flight for maybe 3 hours, I can edit 2 short videos, and I can make some $100 on the flight. And that's just crazy to say out loud. And I know money is probably the most important part for most of you, so let's talk a bit about it. You can actually make a lot of money as a beginner, because if you watch the big gaming creators, they never have any amazing editing, at least not most of them. They'll have some transitions, some background music, and you can learn that in a week. So beginners can maybe charge $50 to $100 per project, and that can be some $1,000 a month as a beginner. And then if your skills improve in just some weeks, you can start charging maybe $200, $300, $400, or maybe $500, and that can scale up to being $2,000, $3,000 a month. And that's like a normal income at that point. The best part is if you have recurring clients, like a YouTuber who post weekly. And if you have like 5 of those who pay you $500 a month, then that's already $2,500 a month from 5 clients, and that's not a lot. And then if you add one more that maybe pays $1,000 a month, then you're already up at $3,500 a month. Your income can grow so fast with just 1 or 2 new clients. It's literally crazy. Or you maybe just get 2 clients that pay thousands of dollars per project when you're really good at it, and you can make tens of thousands of dollars a month, but then it's of course a lot of work. So video editing is not just a side hustle, it's an actual job. But now you're probably thinking like there is for sure hundreds of other online businesses and online sets to make money online. So I'm actually going to compare some of the most popular ones with video editing. So let's start with comparing dropshipping. So when you're starting out as a dropshipper, you first need to find the best product, and that can already take days, and most of the time the best product for you doesn't even work, so it can take weeks at sometimes. And when you find the best product, you need to promote it, and that takes time and money. So you already need to have some hundreds of dollars when you're starting out as a dropshipper, which you don't need with video editing. Plus you need to pay for the website, that's an extra $10 maybe a month, but it's still money that most of you probably don't even have. So that's weeks of work and hundreds of dollars to pay for maybe not even succeeding. Like a small chance that you succeed with dropshipping. We can also compare affiliate marketing with video editing. Affiliate marketing is free, but it takes months for you to set up your social medias, maybe post on them, and most of you doesn't even want to have a social media and show your face out there, so that's not even a choice for most of you. And it also takes months, as I said, which most of you doesn't have that much time. And video editing often only takes a few weeks to start out. You can literally start learning video editing today and land your first client in a week or two. That's insane, and that client could already be paying hundreds of dollars a week as a beginner. So no waiting for product sales or an algorithm to work with you. Another thing is that most online jobs need expertise or technical skills, and video editing of course needs a little bit of that because you need to learn the program and stuff like that, but not at all the same amount of it. So instead of years of skills and expertise, you can start with zero background and start making money in just a few weeks. You don't need a film degree or any other sort of certifications because your client doesn't care about that. They don't care about that at all. They care about you delivering. So if you can tell them that you can solve a problem for them quick and easy, they will 100% hire you. I actually had a friend that I helped a bit, but he landed his first client after just editing some TikTok videos and like a family vacation video. And he sent that to a client and said, this is what I have done. And the client watched it and saw a bit of transitions and some music because the video was nothing crazy. And the client hired him because he didn't need anything more. He needed some transitions and some music because he just didn't want to put that work into editing himself. So my friend is right now making hundreds of dollars from just that client that he landed in his first week. So not overthink your expertise. The best thing about video editing is that your learning curve is not a few years, it's actually just a few weeks to get good at it. Learn at your own pace and put yourself into it, and you will become great in just a few weeks. Another great thing about video editing is the amount of clients and niches there are out there. You can have 3 different clients in 3 different niches and always have a new project. So it's not just gaming. It's maybe gaming, training, and vacation vlogs, and it's actually really fun to try new things and don't just be stuck at one niche. But remember this, at the start you should always start with one niche because then you have sample videos for newer clients in the same niche. But when you have edited for a few months and actually have an income, you can start trying out new clients. Right now I have clients in 5 different niches, and because I know how to edit, they trust me. I have shown proof from different niches, so it works well for me. But don't start with a lot of niches. Never do more than 2 niches when you're starting out because that can be hard for you when you're trying to find newer clients as a beginner. But after that, think about how many niches that need video editors: fitness, real estate, vacation vlogs, online businesses, gaming videos. The niches are endless, and that's another great part about video editing. Let's say you're into fitness and you gym literally every day. Why don't you start editing for a fitness coach or for your favorite gym? The great thing when you're editing for a niche that you really enjoy is that you will love to try new strategies. You love to watch videos about it and can learn strategies that other YouTubers do. So you can become better from watching videos you like. And maybe you love traveling. There are a lot of travel vloggers out there who are desperate for a video editor. So by picking a niche you like to watch, you know what works, you know what you enjoy, and you will never get bored of it. And a pro tip, clients actually love when you understand their industry and you understand what their audience wants to watch and what style they like. And you are literally their audience, so you know their audience better than anyone else, and therefore they will probably pick you over others. There's also not a lot of competition. Sure, there are thousands of video editors out there, but there's even more influencers and businesses out there. So there will never be enough video editors for the creators. So there's always someone who needs a video editor. You just need to find them. And when you're speaking out, the chance is even bigger of you signing a client. Most beginners don't know how to start a conversation with the client, so they just send something like, "Hey, do you need a video editor?" Don't be that person. So instead send a short and engaging message with maybe a little video when you have those ready. I once landed a client by sending them a 30-second edit of their own footage where I showed what they could improve, and they hired me immediately. And it was no little client. And probably my favorite part about video editing is that you can scale it a lot and beyond video editing. Once you get good at video editing, you're not just stuck at video editing. You can start offer higher services like content strategy, social media manager and stuff like that, because you know what works. You have been in the social media game for maybe a year or two at that point, and social media managers, content strategists, thumbnail creators get paid a lot as well. So maybe you can be a social media manager and a video editor on the side, and then you have an insane monthly income, because with your knowledge in the social media space, you know what works. So maybe ask one of your clients when you have worked with them for a while if they need a social media manager, and if they have liked your videos, they will probably say okay, and then you can be both a social media manager and a video editor for them. So by being a video editor, you open the doors to a lot of other opportunities. A lot of clients actually look for an all-in-one solution, so if you can help them beyond video editing, you can also charge more. Because imagine starting out as a video editor for a YouTuber and then later on managing their whole video editing production. That can literally make you maybe $2,000 plus a month from just one client, and then you get 2 or 3 of those and so on the side, and you can make $10,000 a month from video editing. The camera is maybe at a new spot now because my phone just died, but I will keep going. I was going to tell you that eventually you can start with a video editing business, or maybe an agency if you want to call it that. That's when you hire video editors that work for you, and you just driving the clients and they edit for you. So you don't even need to edit videos anymore. You just have video editors under you that does the work. Or maybe you start edit videos for a business and later on become their copywriter and start writing scripts for their video sales letters, and then ask for a small percentage of what that video makes. Then you can start making millions of just one video. But I don't want to get your hopes up too much with all I just said, because if you want to get to that point, you'll need to put in years of work. So it's nothing that just happens over a week or two, sadly. But if you put in the hard work, you can definitely get there. Okay, last point now. Maybe you're thinking that you will start in a month, or maybe you will start when you know a bit more, but that's the biggest mistake. And I'm telling you that as a warning, because as I said before, the demand for video creation is crazy. Social medias are pushing videos like never before, and content creators and businesses knows that, and therefore needs a video editor, and they're often willing to pay a lot of money for it. And they need video editors today, not in 6 months. The longer you wait, the more people will jump into video editing. So starting today means that you can maybe secure a client before anyone else can. AI tools are also evolving really fast. Of course, creators will always want that human feel, but probably some parts about the video editing they will be able to put away to an AI, and therefore you need to be even faster. And your experience. Even if you're just starting to edit on your phone, you'll be miles ahead of people starting in a month or two. So you don't even need to sign your first client in a week or two, but you can just start to edit on your phone and edit your own videos. Just download clips from social media that you practice on, because you'll be so far ahead of anyone else. The sooner you start, the faster you will build reputation about delivering work on time. So if you start now, then you will have more reputation later down the line. So if you're serious about starting, check out my video right here, and don't just watch it, take action. See you later.